Hey everybody, welcome to the Davies Family Channel. I apologize again, but I'll do my best to here. Just getting into the thing, hopefully in a more serious way. Actually learning how to do editing, stuff like this, or narrating videos, all kinds of stuff. So first video will be experimental. Looks kind of cool, I hope. This one was flight locks, part of the Welland Canal, but actually it's up the Niagara Escarpment in Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. And they went down the canal, usually around 3 years, and maintenance that. So that was fun. Check out video of that. Mostly for car because it's too heavy. But in the snow, when the snow just kind of makes it seem a little bit better. I'm going to try not to talk about it. Okay. I have with the video, so I'm going to figure that out a little bit more as I go here. But here I go for a drive in the pigeon. Try my hand at editing. This video number 2 for using the Adobe RS editing program. We could show a couple of it. White lines. So the office is people have been bought there for years. It's one of those things where I can't believe you can actually still nobody screwed it up to where they had to fence it up. But hopefully I jinx it, but it's still one of the better hills in the region for doing this video and that. I'm sure the kids are out sooner than later. The whole mess of snow. Still going up. That the escarpment picking up. That's the hill that the boats have to climb to get from one lake to. For these locks, the light locks, are just the same thing. Two staircases. Oh, there, not too far away. I'll do a video on those in the future. It's definitely worth a bit of a hike to get to them. Yeah, still cool. I'm not sure how many there are, but we'll go check it out. Different, there's a few different canals that have gone through the area. They kind of had to expand the canal. And it's, take a guess, and nobody's going to tell me I'm wrong. I'm sure there'd be more than I do in this, but I think this is the 4th version now. I can shut down for winter work because they always seem to use local to do the stuff. And try to keep your guys working with people. Yeah, lock 7, which is up at the very top of the flight locks. You'll see the dam that's holding all that. There's a dam that they slide in one piece at a time. And then there's like greases with straight walls and actual locks. So you do impact one right there as well. It's kind of hard to do one. They had to cut all off in recent years. Talking to spot for boat watching. Go on after down at the bottom of the lock here, you can see the runner bottom of the doors. Yeah, you see, get on it pretty far. Pretty sure the crossover is very long. Sorry about the volume. I really tried to keep it as well as I could through the whole thing. I couldn't go that fast up the stage. So whatever doing up there on lot 7, pretty heavy duty. They got a lot of stuff. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment there down below. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Probably do a lot of Niagara area stuff. A proud Niagara fella. Hear that background noise, the robot keyboard. I think I need a better microphone. Or some voice. Probably a bit of both. Put a couple of pictures in there of what it looks like with the water from certain spots. A couple of these locks are, they call them the twin side locks. It's not that. So 2 ships can pass going up or down. There's actually 2 locks side side. It's because of kind of up and I think either one after the other. See how the pilings for the piers and that along the side are showing that the water is right out of the canal. There's a little graphic here that can give you an idea of how high it is up in the lakes. Every year when they drain it, sadly they often find the remains. Usually cars and motorcycles like that get stolen and dumped in there. They drain the water and all that stuff. Back to light. Kind of nice when it is empty though, because you don't have to worry about catching any bridges that get down. In the last year or so, the CA put a radio station in with 93.3 and about bridge statuses. I don't know what it does in the wintertime though, for music or something. This is our first significant snowfall this season. They posted January to Daniel. See along the wall there, pieces that are sticking up. There's literally suction cups stick to the side of the boat, so you don't have to tie it up every time. And suction just kind of slides up and down with the ship on the water. There's a good shot of the fence there where the ground hops off. Shows how to drop off between a set of twin locks right there. It's like cranes sticking out the side. See that big tower to the right of that? There's a couple of jackknife bridges, the railway line that comes over. You kind of got to work with the railway and ships to make sure they got a road to travel on. Once in a while, you just see a train that's had to shut down in town and pick up crossings as long as it's going through something. There's the bottom. That's the Glendale Avenue Bridge. There's General Motors across the other side. That's the avenue there. And there's the birds swimming around in a little bit of water. It does still keep up. Just beyond that bridge there, Glendale Bridge is on Block 3, and that's where the visitor center is. The museum, and stuff. And you'll see the Skyway Bridge if it's a clearer day. There's a toboggan hill again. You look off to the distance there. Two agencies. And the big tower there, I'm guessing that had to be the canal. And maybe even radio station too. You can around back of the office and park at top of the hill, as well as down the day. Pretty cool spot to put the toboggan. Like I said, I'm pretty sure sooner or later there'll be a fence going right across that hill. Someone will mess it up. the seaway off the season. There it is, folks. My first narrated video. Hopefully it doesn't seem horrible. Promise I'll get better at this. I just keep working away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Leave some comments. Share the page with your friends. Help us grow it a little bit. And we'll see you on the next video, hopefully. Thanks for watching. Take care.